जिस उम्र में बच्चे कहानियां सुनते हैं उसी उम्र में शिव नादर स्कूल गुरुग्राम के कक्षा 1 के छात्र 6.5 वर्षीय विराज इजरानी अपनी पहली बाल पुस्तक लियो द काइंड जायंट के प्रकाशन के साथ लेखक बन गए हैं। पुस्तक का आधिकारिक विमोचन आज कुंजुम बुक स्टोर GK2 नई दिल्ली में एक विशेष कार्यक्रम में किया गया। यह आयोजन बचपन की रचनात्मकता और दयालुता के संदेश को समर्पित था। विराज ने लियो द काइंड जायंट की कहानी की कल्पना 6 वर्ष की उम्र में की थी। कहानी के केंद्र में लियो नाम का एक सौम्य विशालकाय पात्र है जो ये संदेश देता है कि दयालु और संवेदनशील होने से दूसरों के साथ साथ अपने जीवन में भी खुशी आती है। विराज इस संदेश को 4 सरल शब्दों में व्यक्त करते हैं, दयालु बने, खुश रहें। कार्यक्रम में मैजिक ऑफ बुक्स की संस्थापक और प्रसिद्ध कहानीकार आंटी नील विशेष अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित रहीं। उन्होंने विराज की इस उपलब्धि की सराहना की और बच्चों को कहानी सुनने व लिखने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया। इस अवसर पर परिवार, मित्र और शिक्षक भी मौजूद रहे। विराज के माता पिता डॉक्टर कृति इजरानी और दुष्यंत इजरानी ने इस सफलता का श्रेय शिव नादर स्कूल गुरुग्राम के प्रोत्साहनपूर्ण माहौल और शिक्षकों को दिया। उन्होंने कहा कि स्कूल ने विराज को अपनी कल्पना को अभिव्यक्त करने का आत्मविश्वास दिया। विराज के लिए ये पुस्तक केवल एक किताब नहीं बल्कि दूसरे बच्चों तक दयालुता का संदेश पहुंचाने का माध्यम है। वह चाहते हैं कि बच्चे समझें कि दयालुता का एक छोटा कार्य भी बड़ा बदलाव ला सकता है।
Good evening everybody. We are Viraj's parents, Viraj Israni, proud parents rather. And Viraj has at a very young age, he has written his own book inspired by his own feelings, which is he wants to help people and he wants to just help animals. So it's all about kindness, and he has written his first book, Leo the Kind Giant. The character was something he himself saw himself in that character, and he is inspired to write with this whole culmination with all his friends and family supporting him. Today he is even motivated and he has been telling me, Mama, I want to reach the world through a series of Leo books. So let's see what my little Viraj has in store for future. But definitely I'm very, very proud today, and it is an amazing feeling to be here. Special thanks to Neil auntie, who has been his mentor since a very young age. She has encouraged this love of stories and helped him, just fall in this love of creativity, imagination and books. So he is what he is with all her guidance, his environment, and I hope he continues the journey. We are also very thankful to Ms. Chavi Mehta. She's a coach who kind of helped us make his imagination real and just get his books published. So she really helped us maneuver through the process. So special thanks to her as well. And lastly, we thank our stars for everything.
Father Dushyant. It's a very proud moment for both me and my wife Kriti to be here and witness Viraj's journey of having an idea to writing a book and being an author. It's a wonderful journey, and we've really been proud to be part of that journey. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Chavi Mehta. I'm the founder of Young Authors Launchpad. I'm a writing coach and I help small young kids to pen down their stories and get them published. So today is not just a celebration for Young Authors Launchpad, it is a celebration for all young minds, all young hearts who just want to share their stories with the world. So एक छोटा सा जरिया है जिसकी तरफ से हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और हर बच्चे को रीडिंग और राइटिंग की दुनिया में ला रहे हैं. The whole idea is bringing the young minds into the beautiful world of reading and writing. In this world full of gadgets, it is all overpowered by AI. We're just bringing them back नानी और दादी की कहानियों के साथ कि बच्चे उसको पढ़े, वैल्यू सिस्टम वहाँ से आए और क्रिएटिविटी और पैशन, कंपैशन, ये सब चीज़ें आए. सो विराज बुक इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. 3 months की हमारी जर्नी थी बुक राइटिंग में, विच विराज पार्टिसिपेशन वॉज commendable. From the starting, from the ideation till the final book, everything has been created by Viraj. So he always used to take suggestions कि अब ये कैसे करें, बुक कवर कैसा हो, बुक का टाइटल कैसा हो. तो हर छोटी से छोटी चीज़ को हमने जोड़ा है, हर एक शब्द को साथ में मिलाया है, तो ये बुक आई है. एंड वी आर सो हैप्पी एंड प्राउड टू सी such beautiful values coming out from young kids. Values about being kind, being sympathetic, being empathetic. और शायद आज यही सब values की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. So many congratulations to the hardworking parents जिन्होंने इतना सारा टाइम दिया and they've been really very patient in the entire journey to bring this book to life. So thank you so much everyone for all the love and bringing reading and writing back into our houses. Thank you.
My name is Neil Jaryal and I'm here for Viraj's book launch. Viraj is just 6.5 years old and it's not just a book launch. It's a place where we are celebrating a child's imagination, creativity and courage and a belief that stories matter. I work with children. I'm always surrounded with children and surrounded with books and storytelling, and I am a firm believer that the way children look at this world is absolutely different than what we think. They ask all the important questions, they imagine fearlessly, and they think, they have no boundaries. So congratulations to Viraj and his whole family, because you need a family who encourages you and is patient with you. So behind every young creator, there's always a family who's cheering and saying, go ahead, we believe you, and your words matter. So thank you so much.
Viraj.
What is your book about?
Kindness.
And what do you do related to kindness?
Related to kindness, what do you do? I help my little brother Riva.
Are you writing only your stories? Are you excited? Can you say that? Can you say that? Say in the camera.
Excited. I'm excited.
Okay, good night. Thank you.
Thank
Viraj,
you.
1 minute. What is your next book, darling? What are you writing on?
Leo and the dog. Leo and the dog Muffet.
Oh, wow. And what is it going to be on? What is it going
So Viraj is, of course, I mean, I see Viraj all the time. I've seen him grow over the last 2 years. Besides being very kind, he's very vivacious, extremely sweet. I've seen maximum, he's been so helpful with Rivan, and he's really sweet. And Kriti and Dushyant, both the parents, congrats to them. And they really put in so much time on Viraj, and they spend a lot of time with both the kids. They're very, very hands-on. Congratulations.
All, I am Viraj Israni's grandfather. I am very proud today, a proud grandfather. And Viraj is very fond of reading books. And he has written a beautiful book, and where he is talking about kindness. I wish him all the success in his life.